this is a work on active sensing on social networks that I have that's as my PhD project that I've done with Professor Aniskaniana, who is my PhD advisor, and Professor Amir Leshem, who is from Bayern University in Israel. So think about the Facebook networks. Nowadays everyone has a Facebook, and we have a lot of friends on Facebook. But think about how many friends do you actually trust from? The answer is I don't really trust from a lot of them. So this research is trying to answer the question that, okay, right now, how many friends do you actually trust? How about what we can gain from simply observing how their opinions evolve? So we made use of the following fact that maybe in the social networks there are some kind of agents called stubborn agents, which are basically people who talk to each other, influence the others, but they never listen. So with those guys being present in the social networks, we are able to form what we call the social wader, that basically the stubborn agents can act as can give excitation signals to a social system, and we take some reverberations from the ordinary agents' steady-state opinions. And this will give us the following equations that governs these opinions dynamics in the steady state. So what we found here is we have y. We can formulate these equations called y equals I minus d, b, and c. So of which we know y and c. So given this opinion data, we can formulate a compressor sensing problems that will give me b and d. So this is the problem that we formulated, and we can also and we have proven that as a blind compressor sensing problem, this guy, as long as we have sufficient number of stubborn agents, then we can recover the original social networks. So we have run some simulations on sympathetic networks with sympathetic opinion dynamics, and as we see, basically the mean square error of the estimation decreases when the number of stubborn agents increases, and it matches well with the theory. And as a future research, what we are trying to do is to combine everything as a unified framework, where we estimate the opinions and the set of stubborn agents together under this framework, and it is a part of the undergoing research where we collect data directly from Facebook and try to estimate the trust from there. So this is still an ongoing research, and I invite everyone to look at our paper on arXiv, which is a paper that we have submitted to journal publications.